Welcome to the D4 Guns channel. Today we're going to take a look at an H&K 94. These are quite rare and desirable. Has a 16-inch barrel. So that way it's no longer an SBR. The stock extends. This is a 9mm, and this is also a pre-ban HK 94 based on the MP5 of the 1980s. Very desirable gun. Locked open. Comes with a mag. We do have some marks on the mag itself, but just from being released. We also have some marks on the safety, but everything works. Slap that guy down. Fun way. Go ahead and take a look. This should be going up for sale soon.